So this is my basic WordPress website, and now I'll show you how to change the site header background color. After opening your WordPress website, simply right click on your header section and click on inspect, and your website header will be automatically selected. Now here under element.style, we have to type here background and then write the color name that you want to add to your header section. And here we can see the color successfully added. Now if you want to change your color, you can do it from here. And now I'll show you how to pick a color for your header background. So open a new tab and type here Google color picker. And now using this slider, you can go ahead and pick a color for your WordPress website header. Let's select this color, for example. So here I'm just copying the color code, and here I'm adding the color code. And as you can see, the color successfully applied. And now go to your WordPress admin dashboard and hover over on appearance and click on customize. Once you're here, scroll down, and here you have to click on additional CSS, and now we have to add here some custom CSS code. So go to your website where you just added your color, and here you will find your header section class or ID name. So copy your header section ID or class name from here, and here for ID, give a hash and then type here your ID name for your header section, give a second bracket, and now you have to copy this background code and paste the code here, and that's it. Now click on publish, and now I'm going to reopening my website in incognito window, and here as you can see, I've successfully changed my WordPress website header background color.